till the stupid state, stay until it's late. Sweet like chocolate cake, tart just like the shit I roll off paper plates. Search for sweet escape because inside I feel I'm dying slow. I tell you all.
What's up, dogs? How y'all doing today? I think it's the end of October, October 26th, and we're filming our third episode of Auction Dogs. So I think we're getting close to dropping the first one. I know that sounds crazy, but it just took some time to find somebody to edit these and everything, so it's like way beyond my scope. So anyways, today's supposed to be a big sale, and so I'm like 370Z. I think they're 5-speed. I think it's 5-speed or 6. It might be 6-speed. Probably is 6-speed. And when I was messing with the shifter, I don't know where reverse was. I haven't ever driven one of these, so I don't know. But really nice car. It obviously no sold because it's here from the last auction. It's dead right now too, 76,000 miles. It's dead because these freaking jack wagons here just like to leave the keys in the hole, and this thing so always stays on, and then nobody can ever do anything about it. I'm not really out here looking for anything particular today, but I don't got a pocket full of money either. But if I find something, I'm gonna buy it and then figure it out later. So I don't know what it is about like these old Chevys. But every time, like, watch the door when I open it, right? And then, like, if I put some leverage on it, it goes up and down. It literally, the bushings just always wear out and the hinges. Not necessarily something I'd want to deal with. Go ahead. Nobody notices that at all. Nobody notices the spray paint if you're just looking for some peeling chrome. Honestly, these things are nice to drive. Just like chilling and stuff. Smoking devil's lettuce. Got a nice TRD Tacoma here. It's pretty sweet, honestly. It's really a really nice car. I like the fenders, grill options. It might just I don't know if it's just it might just be an SR5 with freaking no. It's a TRD Sport. It's nice. Full nav and everything. Maybe it's not a TRD. Maybe just somebody put some stickers on this freaking thing. No, it's TR. Maybe they just put some. I don't know. It's fooling me. I don't know anything about these things. Or it is a TRD, and I'm just freaking off my shit right now. And it comes with steps and everything. It's a nice car. The BMW with the carbon fiber package is here again, man. It's really cool. The 550 is still here too, which I really like this car. I know it's not cool to like these freaking things. It's an E60, but this thing is badass. And it's fast. You can always tell like how well somebody took care of something by the tires they put on their cars if they own a BMW. If you got Continentals or something nice on there, then it's worth it. But and somebody who owned it cared about it. But what do we got down here? Arroyo. If that tells you anything. Someone skipped out on maintenance. Not sketchy. You got your Chevy truck with a Hummer body on it, which I'm not gonna say I'd never drive one of these because I freaking would. Pretty badass. Wow, very nice. How about that for a freaking Miata? Beautiful. I think it has Motegis on it. Not necessarily super interested in the wheels. Yeah, they are Motegis. Look at the color, man. The color is freaking sick. What a nice car. We're starting this one for show. Totally starting this freaking Miata right now. Absolutely. Oh, factory Nardi. Dude, oh, bad angle. Oh. Big dude, little car every time. Big dude, little car. Oh, dude. Yes. Tell me this doesn't have tilt steering. That's probably a good thing. All right. Shifts don't feel bad. Can't believe this is a factory color. How sweet is this thing? Yeah. Very nice. AC works. Everything works. It's 5-speed. It's a nice little car. Man. Windows work. I wonder if the top works. I just rip it like top down around this freaking block. Just play some freaking, you know, Duran and just drive around with the top down. Alright. This little Miata's fun to drive here, you know? Just beating it around. Fucking left-hand second gear. Got a little belt squeak when you freaking let off. Like you put some ass into it and then it squeaks. A little unfortunate, but totally not a deterrent. This thing is badass. Totally a buy. Oh, we'll see. For some reason, I have a feeling this thing's going for money. Oh, sick. I got another one here. Oh, not showing that yet. That's going on there. That with the tire thing, it's like, okay, this car is beautiful, right? It's a great car, drove great. Suspension's a little soft, but that's expected. Neodens. Exactly. That's what I'm trying to say. People who spend money on their stuff spend money on tires. Nice. The factory color just absolutely got me. Factory shit more. Doing it. I don't know why, but every time I come across the G, it's fucking automatic. It just sucks. Because I was like, these would be cool, you know? G35 would be a nice car. It is a nice car. But check this out. It always blows my mind when they just changed the rear bumper. It's like, why'd you, if you got rear-ended and you had to replace the bumper, why wouldn't you just put a factory one on there? It doesn't make any sense. It's the only modification to the body of the car. Is just the rear bumper. Oh, the black chrome grille. Unless that's factory, I don't know. Black. Freaking Roadmaster. The state wagon. It wasn't rusted all to hell. You know? Only 97,000 miles though. It's a Caprice. Not bad. This out. Tiny little Italian thing. How about it? Shout out VIP Squad on Instagram. Wow, we were very nice from the homeland. Totally starting this thing. All right, let's give the little thing a go. Fiat. All right. Wow. Yeah. All bark. No, I'm just kidding. We'll see, right? I forgot these are boosted. This sounds good. Should I drive this thing or what? Yes. Oh, e-brake's on. That's a good thing. Nobody's sitting in the backseat of this freaking thing. Sounds freaking nice. Shut up, seatbelt. All right. There you go. You guys got your covers. So your car. Perfect. This thing's fast. Oh yeah. I was driving a Barth in 2 seconds. This is sweet. This thing's freaking dope. I bet there's a really fast one of these out there that just smokes all kinds of cool shit. People get all pissed off about it. This is sweet. The only thing that's really, really whack is that you just grab onto your mighty red ball right there. Carbon. And you just give her hell, you know? There you go. One owner, clean title, still under factory warranty. You know, never been in an accident, been in Florida its whole life, never seen snow. Sweet. I don't know what it is about S-classes and air suspension. Like, they are never working or functional when they come through. Look, the bottoms of the doors are rusted out too. Guarantee that goes for like, they'll probably no sale at it, you know. They'll probably no sale that at $1,000 and be like, oh, it's totally worth more than that because it's Mercedes-Benz. It's not. But I did stay at a, you know what I'm saying? Not bad though. Boom lift truck, that would be freaking sweet. Go out and like fix stuff. However, one of the best businesses I've ever seen is crane operators. You charge a minimum of 3 hours and you're there for sometimes 30 minutes. If I had 100 grand, I'd buy a crane for sure. You got yourself a little Scat Pack Challenger. That's cool. It's really nice, actually. I wonder if the keys are in that. It's 6.4 liter. 392. Oh, the keys are fucking in this thing. Oh yeah. First shifter. It's dope that it's like plum crazy too. You know? Really, really nice color. Overall. That sounds fantastic. They didn't mean to leave the keys in this one. They totally meant to take those out. Holy crap. Goodbye. This has a full exhaust on it, and they're gonna be pissed if I grab the shit out of this thing. Let me do that one more time. Holy crap. This thing is bad ass. Are you serious? Absolutely. Holy crap. I bet somebody, look at this, it's got a pistol grip shifter and there's somebody who's slamming freaking gears in this thing. Holy shit. Nice. That's sweet. There we go, he's got lucky there. Freaking plum crazy Challenger, excuse me. Scat Pack Challenger. It sounds fantastic. One more time. Look at this guy's coming to yell at me. You coming to yell at me right now? What the f? We're buying this thing if I had the money. This thing is bad ass. What kind of exhaust is on this thing? This cannot be factory. There's absolutely no way it's factory. No, like I said, I didn't think that they were supposed to have the keys in it when I got it in, and I said to myself, there's no goddamn way they meant to leave the keys in this thing. It's like, dude.
It's the CR rider guy.
It's loud.
Yeah,
It's probably got. Oh yeah, yeah. This thing's well worth the money. However much this goes for. You don't see purple ones like this very often, you know. Exhaust. It's got to have a full exhaust, headers back, you know.
What's 6.4? That 392.
Yeah, that's what it said. 390. It's a Hemi. It's got a Hemi.
Nice car.
Totally a freaking nice car.
Oh, yeah, 392 right there.
There you go.
Plus the Scat Pack. Wow.
Nice. You know what's so funny? I got in it and I was like, there's no way they meant to leave the keys in here. It's like, there's no way.
I a lot on Thursdays, you know.
Yeah. There you go.
So many out.
That was cool.
I buy this earlier today and I didn't notice the Scat Pack thing and all that.
Yeah. That thing sounds like a bat out of hell. And it's got a pistol grip shifter in it too, so somebody was in there slamming gears with that thing.
Say, they were having fun with it by them back tires.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, they were like, we're trading it in, might as well go burn them off. Oh yeah, those are gone. Thank you. We're good.
Rotated, yeah.
That's hilarious.
Yeah, bid on it, man. Hope you get it.
Glad I was the one that got to start it before they took the keys away, right?
I enjoyed hearing it too.
There you go, fantastic.
I'm a muscle head, so.
Grand Sport Corvette. That's a sweet one. That's a sweet one too. Yeah, that's a sweet one right there.
I like the package on it. The only thing I like better is if it had red interior.
Oh, does it not? It has black interior?
I can't tell. Yeah.
Oh, see this? Look at the seats in that thing, though.
Red. I'd have some red in there.
I agree. I like your style there, man. Yep. There you go.
Same thing.
Are the keys in that thing too?
Yeah,
Holy crap!
Call one of the managers,
I should have ran over here. There you go. That's hilarious, man.
I can just see somebody flying down the alley.
Oh yeah.
I saw you in the Miata. I know you were enjoying that car.
Oh, you want to know the Miata's sweet, man?
That's a nice looking car.
I'm gonna try to bid on that one. That one's coming home with me. I think.
How many miles? I didn't see.
I think it was 70 or 80,000 on that thing. It's cherry.
People like those.
Oh, dude, I'll have that for 2 weeks and then it'll be gone.
Yeah.
Know what I'm saying?
Enjoy it while you're selling.
Absolutely. Yeah. Right. Just put my plate on it and then run it, dude. Exactly. Have a good day, man. So. That really concludes another episode of Auction Dog. I don't know who's beeping at me. That concludes another episode of Auction Dog. Not too much crazy stuff here today. hopefully we get out of town and go somewhere else and just, you know, do some other stuff recently. Just work has been prohibiting me from this. So that being said, thank you all for tuning in. Catch us on our next episode next week, and peace out, dogs.